Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday bonus. On Facebook I've recently joined a group from our local area that do sewing, and they meet up once a week on a Thursday evening, only a few miles away from me. So I went there last night and I put the footage that I took now.
We're working hard. European aspects, then you don't have to if you want to carry on, but no, they don't have to. Well, that's why you qualify for it.
I enjoyed it. I didn't take my sewing machine with me, anything like that, and because it's a Thursday night, it's going to be difficult for me to do, because we do other things on Thursday, but it's going to be difficult for me to actually go again. When the opportunity arises, I will go though, and I'm not sure if I'll take one of my sewing machines with me or take me hand sewing, but we'll see. Thank you. Bye.